Back with another poem from my book, The Show Must Go On, which must always be there, of course, because we're mortal, not eternal. Pardon me. This poem is titled, Why Me? This thought came to me when I went to meet someone, and someone who was ailing, and when I met the gentleman, the first thing he said to me was, Ashok, why me? And I told him, I said, listen, friend, there's no why me. It can happen to you, it can happen to me. What's happened to you has happened to you. Something else could happen to me. So this why me, it does, of course, come across everybody's mind. We all think about it. It happens. When you look around and you compare and you see where other people are, seemingly happy, but you know nothing of their lives. So why compare?